Alright, I think this fig might be ready to harvest. So doesn't seem like it's fully drooping, but it's not pointing straight up, and it is really, really soft. They said it's supposed to feel like a bag of jelly, and that's kind of what it feels like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this thing. It's gonna be my very first fig. And I would say the very first fig that I grew myself, but I mean, it was already on the plant when I bought it at Home Depot. But it's the first one that I'm harvesting. So let's see what this thing looks like inside. But that's a pretty fig, isn't it? All right, let's cut it open. All right. So I got it all cleaned off. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That looks like a really good fig. I mean, I'm not a fig expert. This is my very first one, but look at that. That is beautiful. All right, let's see how this thing tastes. All right, so this is the Little Miss Figgy fig, and it's supposed to taste like a mix of berry, honey, and maybe like a little bit of cherry at the end. So let's see if this tastes like berry or honey. It tastes really good. Wow, that's probably the best fig that I've ever had. So I've gotten figs at Trader Joe's, and I don't think they were very ripe. That one had a lot more flavor. And honestly, it kind of tasted a little bit like peach, which I'm surprised about. I do have the Olympia fig, which is supposed to taste like peach, but I didn't expect this one to taste like peach. But yeah, it tasted a little bit like berry, a little bit like honey, but different, you know what I mean? It's got its own unique flavor, and it's really, really good. So that's my very first fig that I've harvested, and I can't wait to harvest some more. I have a couple more on that Little Miss Figgy, and I have, I think I have a couple figs on the, what was it? The brown turkey fig. So yeah, I can't wait to try them out. I'm glad that I can, even though I just got these trees, I'm really glad that I can actually harvest a couple of them this year. It's really late in the season. It's already, you know, middle of July. So, all right. Well, I'll catch you guys later. See you guys.